Let's manufacture a light and resistant liquid cold plate for electronic equipment cooling. We will weld the plates with an FSW head mounted on a CNC machine. To make this part, we need 3 aluminum plates of 1 mm each. The laser cut channel is placed between the 2 plates. It's a lap welding configuration. The parts are clamped and then ready to be welded. The process starts. We weld the inner channel. Then a second welding is made for the external part of the channel. The part is now welded and completely sealed with a pressure resistance of 9 bars. Install an FSW head on your CNC to manufacture your own light and resistant cold plates at the best price. Interested? Contact us.